Hey y'all, Chad here, Adventure 101, and today we're back doing a differential drop on our 96 Toyota Runner project we call Uni. So there's our kit from TOYTEC. In this kit comes instructions with pictures, our spacers for the diff drop, hardware. We're not going to be doing the skid plate today because the factory skid plates aren't going back in this vehicle. So they're out for now until the aftermarket ones go in. I haven't decided which brand I'm going to go with yet. When I do, then there'll be a video on it. So for this job, all we need is a 19mm wrench. I'm using an impact gun with a 19 and a breaker bar. And that's about it, and a floor jack. And as you can see, we already have the skid plates off. We're going to support the differential and we'll unbolt it and get it going on it, so stay tuned.
Alright, the only thing left, the old hardware we were using is the big washer. Clean that up before we put that in.
Okay, now that we got our spacers installed, all we got to do is torque it down to 70 foot-pounds. I'm not sure if that's the Toyota spec. I'm gonna have to look at it, but that's the one that's in the TOYTEC instructions. So that's what we'll do for now. I'll look it up on see if I can find it in the manual, and if it's different, I'll change it. But right now, sounds like that's what we're gonna go to. So we're going 70 foot-pounds. Okay. All right, that's it. We should be good to go. if anyone has any recommendations on skid plates, I want to do full skid plates on this thing, front, back, drivetrain, and gas tank. So if anybody's got any recommendations on ones they recommend, please post it up in the comments. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. Tell your friends.